Have you ever gone out for a nice $100 dinner and said, I deserve this? I worked hard. And you know what? You probably did. But let me gently ask you something. Do you know how many hours of your life that dinner actually cost you? Most people don't. And that's why money keeps disappearing. They see dollars, but they don't see time. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to find your real hourly wage, why spending feels cheaper than it actually is, and how one small habit can give you more peace with money. No shame, no guilt, just clarity. Because clarity is freedom. The trap. Thinking in dollars, not hours. Here's the trap most of us fall into. We see a menu, we see a price. We think it's just one meal, but it's not just money, it's hours of your life. Let me show you. If you take home $20 an hour after tax, that $100 dinner didn't cost $100. It cost you 5 hours of your life, 5 mornings, waking up early, 5 hours away from your family, 5 hours of energy. And once you see it that way, you can't unsee it. If you want more peace, more clarity, and smarter money habit, go ahead and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next step in this journey. And comment down below how it has helped you. I read every one of your comments. Listen carefully. This part matters. Your real hourly wage is not what your boss tells you. It's not your salary divided by 40 hours. Because real life has taxes, commute time, gas, parking, work clothes, lunches out, and work stress that you take home. So your $25 an hour might really be $17 or 15 or even less. And that's not bad news. That's powerful news because now you are in control. A kinder way to think about spending. This isn't about never enjoying your life. It's about enjoying it on purpose. And from now on, instead of asking, can I afford this? Ask, how many hours of my life is this? That's it. That one question will change your money forever. Because suddenly the $100 dinner becomes 5 hours. That $60 subscription becomes 3 hours. That $500 gadget becomes 25 hours. And now you get to choose, not your impulse, not your emotions, you. And here's the tips you can use today. Before any big purchase, pause and ask, how many hours of my life is this costing me? If it still feels worth it, enjoy it with peace. If not, save that money without regret. If this is helping you think differently, subscribe so we can keep building smarter habits together. More peace, more clarity, less stress, that's the goal. Now, let's do these simple actions to find out what your real hourly wage is. Let's make this real and practical. Grab a pen or your phone or your favorite notebook. Here is what you're gonna do. Write down your take-home pay for the week after tax. Next, write down all the hours you actually worked, including time at the office or job site, commuting time, lunch breaks you skip or take at work, time answering emails or finishing tasks after hours, extra hours spent on meetings or prep. Thirdly, add in all your work-related costs for the week. Gas, transit costs, parking fees, work clothes or uniform, meals or snacks at work. And then the last step is to divide your weekly take-home pay minus those work-related costs by your total hours. That number is your real hourly wage. So from now on, every big purchase, is now a time decision, not a money decision. That $100 might really cost 6 to 8 hours of your life. That $60 subscription might cost 3 to 4 hours. And that $500 gadget could be 20 to 30 hours. Remember, time is the most precious resource. You can earn money back, but you cannot earn back hours. Every dollar spent is really hours of your life gone. So now you can choose wisely, spend intentionally, and protect your time. Now, let me make you smile for a second. Why did the employee bring a letter to work? Because they heard the salary was on another level. Listen to me. Understanding your real hourly wage isn't about restriction. It's about respecting your life, your time, your energy, and your future. And now that you can see where your money is really going, the next step is to fix the habit that keeps stealing them. If you are still working hard, but feel like you are always behind, if money keeps slipping through your fingers, then you need this video, 5 habits that make you poor. These are the exact habits I had to break to make real peace and real wealth. So go watch it now, and I'll meet you there.